If you've ever had a LiPo battery puff up, overheat, or die early, your charger probably killed it. The charger is the most important purchase in this hobby. Covering the 7 best LiPo chargers in 2026, from complete beginner bundles to a 1,000-watt pocket rocket. All links are in the description. Stick around till the end. The #1 pick pushes more watts than anything else on this list. At number 7, the SkyRC B6Neo, the best pocket field charger for hobbyists who charge away from home. Hauling a full-size AC charger to the track is dead weight. The B6Neo fits in a pocket. It runs off any USB-C power delivery power bank. First, USB-C power delivery input up to 80 watts. Charge at the field, no extra gear. Next, 200 watts DC mode for bench use. Pair with a DC supply at home and this unit pulls real power. Finally, storage mode, balance mode, and battery checker built in. Full features, smallest footprint. Cons: DC only everywhere. USB-C tops at 80 watts. No AC wall input. Best for field pilots and drone racers. Not for bench users wanting a plug-in AC solution. At $39.99, the B6Neo is the sharpest portable charger here. Charge anywhere, this one goes with you. At number 6, the Haisito C150, the best step-up budget charger for hobbyists ready to leave their factory charger behind. Your stock charger has no discharge and no storage mode. Serious hobbyists outgrow it fast. First, 150 watts at up to 10 ampere with a CDC input. Plug into the wall at home or a car battery at the field. Next, adjustable terminal voltage control. Set your charge end voltage, a feature budget chargers don't offer. Finally, an octopus harness covering Tamiya, JST, T-Plug, EC3, TRX, and Deans. Every major connector covered. Cons: single channel only. No color screen. Fan noise is noticeable during heavy charges. Best for hobbyists upgrading from a wall charger. Not for users needing to charge 2 packs at once. At $56.99, the C150 delivers real power and real control. Charge properly? Here it is. Coming in at number 5, the best budget multi-mode charger for hobbyists who want every charging function without spending big. Your stock charger only charges. No storage mode, no discharge cycle. This one does everything. First, charge, balance, discharge, and storage modes built in. 4 functions most chargers at this price skip entirely. Next, 20 battery memory slots. Store your pack settings and recall them instead of re-entering every session. Finally, a large LCD screen with AC/DC input. Readable charge data at a glance, at the wall or in the field. Cons: no brand name warranty support. Single channel only. Max 6 ampere limit speed on larger packs. Best for budget hobbyists wanting full multi-mode capability. Not for users needing fast charges on 4S and above. At $69.99, this charger delivers every mode you need at a fraction of the cost. Need all the functions? This gets it done. At number 4, the ISDT D2 Mark II, the best mid-range dual charger for hobbyists wanting ISDT's engineering with a built-in AC supply. Most dual chargers here require a separate power supply. The D2 Mark II plugs directly into the wall. First, dual channels at up to 12 amperes each. 2 packs charging simultaneously, independently, at full speed. Next, a parallel task mode combining both outputs to charge a single large pack at maximum current. Finally, ISDT's 2.4-inch IPS LCD with SCOS. The same interface hobbyists trust from the Q6 Pro. Cons: 200 watts AC splits across 2 channels, not 200 watts each. No wireless charging. Heavier than pocket DC units. Best for ISDT users wanting a dual AC charger. Not for those needing more than 200 watts total AC output. At $89, the D2 Mark II is ISDT's dual bench solution. 2 channels, wall power, proven firmware, this is it. At number 3, the Gens Ace IMARS D300, the best smart dual charger for serious hobbyists who want the most trusted name on their bench. Setting the wrong cell count silently kills batteries. Wrong count, wrong voltage, ruined pack. The D300 eliminates that exact risk with G-Tech detection. First, G-Tech auto-identifies cell count, voltage, and charge current. No manual entry required. Next, a C300 watts or DC 700 watts at 16 amperes per channel, the highest power of any AC charger on this list. Finally, UL94 V0 flame retardant construction, a real fire resistance certification. Cons: G-Tech detection only works with Gens Ace G-Tech batteries. Others need manual setup. Premium cost: no DC cable included. Best for competitive racers and G-Tech battery owners. Not for casual users charging one pack occasionally. At $109.99, the D300 is the charger serious hobbyists keep recommending. Smart plug and play at high power? This is it. Quick reminder, links are in the description. Hit like and subscribe if this is helping. Now the top 2, and number 1 does 1000 watts in your pocket. At number 2, the HOTA D6 Pro. The best dual charger for hobbyists wanting bench and field power with one unique bonus. A dual charger keeps you on a rotation. The D6 Pro charges both at once and does something no other charger here does. First, dual independent 15 ampere channels, 2 packs at full speed simultaneously, not sharing power. Next, a C200 watts wall input plus DC 650 watts field input. Plug in at home or run from a car battery at the track. Finally, a built-in wireless phone charging pad. Set your phone down while batteries charge. Cons: a C mode splits power across both channels. Wireless pad won't fast charge newer phones. At 584 grams, heavier than DC-only units. Best for multi-battery hobbyists wanting one AC-DC unit with wireless charging. Not for users charging one pack at a time. At $119.49, the D6 Pro delivers dual channels, AC-DC, and wireless convenience. Need all 3? This is it. Now the number 1 pick. This charger pushes 1000 watts in a unit smaller than your wallet. Here it is. The number 1 best LiPo charger in 2026, the Venom Pro Quad, the most capable multi-port charger available. Every charger here has a limit: channel count, power sharing. The Pro Quad hits none. First, 4 independent 100 watts AC-DC circuits, not shared power. Each channel gets its own 100 watts. Second, a vertical design, stacking 4 circuits in the footprint of a single output charger. Capacity, minimal bench space. Third, 2 USB 2.3 ampere ports on the back for accessories while all 4 bays run. Fourth, every major chemistry supported: lithium-ion polymer, lithium high voltage, nickel metal hydride, nickel cadmium, lithium iron phosphate, and lead across all 4 channels. Cons: 7 amperes per channel means very large packs charge slower than a higher amp dual unit. Display is basic, no wireless charging. Best for fleet owners, bashers, and pilots running 4+ packs. Not for hobbyists charging 1 or 2 packs. At $263.99, the Pro Quad is the bench centerpiece for serious hobbyists. Running a fleet? This is it. And that's the 7 best LiPo chargers in 2026. Drop a comment below. Which one are you running? Or which one are you picking up next? All links are down in the description. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching.